Welcome back, trappers. We are sitting here in the Blazer. We have the DSP in. I've been working on getting it tuned and stuff, but if you listen, I don't know if you can hear it here with the camera microphone or not, but I hear white noise when I connect my Bluetooth. But I also have engine whine, and it drives me nuts. I can't stand it. I don't like it. I know it's in the head deck. If I Bluetooth the phone directly to the DSP and I stream media to it, it's all gone. It's crystal clear. You don't hear anything. And as soon as I run the Bluetooth through the head deck, I get that engine whine and that engine noise. So I'm going to check out the grounds behind the stereo. I know that I have a 4-gauge wire from the chassis to the back of the radio. There's also one that connects the chassis of the radio to the ground and the harness. I'm going to put another ground in there and see if that clears that up. But hopefully that takes care of it. It could be maybe the amp gains are set too high, but it goes away when I run the Bluetooth through the DSP, so I don't believe that the hiss is in the amps. If that were the case, I would get the same hiss from the DSP and all 5 amps, but I don't get it through there, so that kind of only leaves one thing, and it's the head deck. And once I turn the source off of the head deck, it goes away. But in order to really use the head deck, you need the source. So for now, I'm going to try and get a better ground on there and see if that clears it up. Maybe check the speaker wires in the back, make sure they're not laying against anything that might have an interference, maybe like the heater blower, things like that. So I'm going to make sure that those wires aren't laying next to a power wire like that, maybe picking up interference, that sort of thing. And we're just going to check out a few things back there. I really am plotting on getting a tablet set up in here, and we'll just Bluetooth directly to the DSP and bypass this head deck. The head deck will come out. I'll put a blank panel in there, and I'll cut out for the bass knobs. We'll put those in there. We'll put the light up blue dial, the volume dial for the DSP in there. We'll put the fog light switches and maybe some interior light switches in there, and we'll mount it right here in this area, and it'll cover this up, and I'll be able to move it to hit my switches and then roll it back down. I'll put a USB plug in there with a retractable USB cord, so I can plug the tablet in and charge it, and then when it's not charging, it can just retract into where this head deck would be. But that's the direction we're going to go. Here in a minute, I'm going to get this dash pulled apart, and we're going to get in there. Alright, trappers, I got the dashboard torn apart. I pulled the stereo out. I did my magic in the back behind the stereo, and listen, no engine whine. It's finally gone. I've been messing with this for a minute. Every time I pull my dash apart, or every time I clear my radio up a little more, I could hear it a little more, and I have to get rid of it, and I hear it a little more. But that's it, guys. That magic worked. Pretty much what I did is I replaced the ground going from the back of the stereo to the chassis of the car. I put a 2-gauge wire in there. From the back, I took all the grounds coming off, everything in the back behind there. I got a few things wired in back there, guys, but that's not really what the hum's coming from. I got the radio, the chassis of the radio from the side grounded down. I got the metal bracket in here grounded. It's grounded to the chassis. All those grounds are all tied in tight, nice and tight, and it's a big, heavy gauge ground. I'm sure it's overkill. Like I said, it's a 2-gauge wire. It's about that thick, probably about the size of a dime or a penny, somewhere in that area. It has a big, large clamp on it, and it's clamped up tight. I'm happy with that, guys. That's real good. That's pretty much the deal with that. I'm going to flip you around so you can have a look at what I'm checking out. It's real nice. We're going to get this thing put back together, and we have some more projects. That's it for now. We're going to get this put back together, guys. Keep on trapping. Don't forget to take a minute to like, share, subscribe. We'll see you back in the next clip.